What is up, guys? We are back with another video. Mr. Vic, Cloud Surfers, and we are back with the one and promised meal prep video, guys. Are you ready? Because I put everything out. Me and Katie have been busy. We're meal prepping and we did everything to just show y'all how we did it. We made some chicken, some broccoli, and some rice. And we got the both bins ready to pack them up for tomorrow and have that meal prep going. Guys, I hope y'all been having a good weekend so far. And I hope y'all keeping that positive energy up. I hope y'all keeping that big smile lit. And I hope y'all reminding the person next to you to also do that. All right, guys, without further ado, let's go get into that meal prep. Are you ready? Are you ready, guys? All right, look, here we go. So we got the chicken. This is made with chicken mayonnaise sauce. Ooh, yeah. And then we got the broccoli going. And these two guys, so handy because you know you can put everything there. And we got the rice going. So yeah, we're going a little bit heavy. Just to give y'all a glimpse how we made the chicken. I made it with this sauce. The ketchup mayonnaise sauce is really good. It has a natural mayonnaise flavor to it. And what I also used to make it even more tastier is this Maggi. This is another type of soy sauce for chicken, especially for chicken. Maggi is used a lot in the Caribbean, guys. Super cool. And yeah, let me see. The oil that I use for this baby over here is, of course, olive oil. And yeah, guys, I hope you're liking how, look how green the broccoli came out. Yeah. Meal prep sesh. And the rice is not burned, look. The rice is not burned, y'all. All right, so I hope y'all are catching a vibe so far. And yeah, all right, Katie's gonna grab the camera. Guys, look, so this is actually how this setup looks like. And we're gonna put everything here and then close them up like this. Bam. Whatever is left over, we're gonna pack it up as well and just put it in the fridge. You know what I'm saying? And this is how you keep the meal prep going, guys. So I know it had been waiting, but I wanted to make this special chicken. Oh my God, look. This is the perfect color, yeah. It needs to be like this, golden brown. And yeah, hats off to that. Can't get any better with the color. If you want to see more meal prep videos, holla at your boy, because I am super happy to make them for you. Guys, go check out this. And whenever I actually want to catch some fresh air, get my air going in my head, and just get the creativity going, I just step back here and take some fresh air, or I go down and I take a walk down by the water. Guys, don't forget to hit that gym session tomorrow. Is Monday. We are going hard. Mr. Vic, Cloud Surfers. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. Don't forget to smash that like button. And we are literally going for 700, y'all. So please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much to all the new subscribers. See you guys until the next video. All right, signing out.